Hey everybody, Beverly Gonzalez here, the 777 Project. I am doing a quick video because I know people are online trying to find reasons why it all shut down. So within our site, we were doing a promotion because I built a course to properly teach everybody how to do this. And in my course and in my videos, and whenever I did one-on-one with people, I let people know that we knew it was not going to stay. We knew that it was a hype. Okay, now pump and dump. I've had a person said it was a pump and dump. A pump and dump is a bit differently. That's whenever you're promoting a coin and you pump it up and then you leave. And this, a definition of a hype is a system that comes, but it comes and goes, but it pays out. We knew that. I made sure everybody that I talked to knew that. Okay, we don't know how long it's going to stay. It came in November, right? A pump and dump usually lasts a couple of weeks and you're in and out. This is starting from a month and a half. So, and then a definition of a scam, right, is a system that comes and goes but doesn't pay out. I've lost thousands on those where you had to put money in wallets and they didn't pay out. And so, I'm letting you know from experience, these could be reasons why it went down. The server went down. I've been building websites for a long time. It looks like the server just crashed because too many people are overloading the system. And when it crashes, so does the Telegram because they're connected. Reason number two, the SEC or other government agency shut it down, right? I mean, how long do you think everybody was going to be without working and making money like an ATM machine? It doesn't last long. Doesn't last long. It's called a hype, okay? Number three, someone put in a large deposit and it flagged all the governments, and the government said, shut it down, period, done, right? All the wallets also began blocking because there were a lot of people that were using it for this particular platform. So those of you that are in it, locked, I'm in it, all the people who are in it that have their money locked, it's gone. I don't know what's going on. I can just tell you that the money that you used should have been money that you were okay to let go. That's what an investment is. If you don't know what investment, if you put your money in here and it's because you were, I got to pay rent or I got to do this and that. And, maybe the first time or two when it paid out, we should have kept it. But we didn't. We put it right back in, right? Because we were going to ride the wave. And that's what happens when it rides the waves. But Bev, what about the FAQ section when they said that they were going to safeguard us? Look, I can only tell you what I see. I can only tell you what I read. I don't control governments. I don't control platforms. And I don't control humans. So when you're doing stuff like this, you have to be very cautious. So when money you put in, you should be willing to let go. Okay, and then just let go and then make caution. Okay, I'm going to take it back. I'm going to leave some that I need, and I'm going to put whatever's back in that I'm okay to let go. All right. People do mini hypes all day long. When you're going to go ahead and take some, go out to eat, and you pay $100 to go out to eat, and in 24 hours you got to digest and you poop it out. You just wasted $100 on a hyped up dinner, But those are fun to go to. So this was fun during the ride, not so fun when it crashes. So I know people are looking for, answers. This is as best as I could come up with. And I am still, for those in the United States and Canada, this is not a pump and dump. This is a real job, but it is in a form of your own business, your own telecom agency, picking up, answering phone calls every single day. Telecom, making $2,000 to $3,000 a week is not a joke. This is for reals. This is, it's paying between $500 to $600 a day per agent because there's not enough people taking the orders for all of the satellite, cable, internet, and phone services for DirecTV, Dish, Spectrum, Charter, Time Warner, Cox, all of them. We are contracted with all of them. This is a legit, full-fledged, holy moly Batman job. We have to do credentials. We have onboarding, your W-9, the whole works. So you're looking for work. This is it. We have it right here to have people work from home. And they make between $500 to $600 a day, taking 5 to 10 orders a day. That's $2,000 to $3,000 a week. And we show you everything you need, and it's free. We don't charge you. You go through them. We just show you everything you need. The only thing you're going to pay for is your own phone number, which is like $29. It's your own 800 number that you need for people to call you. And other than that, your business expenses, which is your Google, Bing, and Facebook advertisements, but they're all on a net 30, meaning you do not pay for 30 days your bill. So you will have your first commission check 1 week before your bill is due, and you just pay your business bills and do that ads, and then you get paid every single Friday after that. So it's here, steady, legit work with real income, a stream that does not go away, an industry that does not go away. It's right here. So my heart goes out to everybody who participated in here, including my own heart. And if it comes back again, I'll reopen it again. But for right now, we're sticking to the gun. I'm moving forward. USA and Canada, click here if you want to work from home. Go through the application process. Let's get you some work for the New Year's. Let's get you going. Take care, you guys. God bless. Bye-bye.